Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will be creating the directory for our project and also creating a couple of files we'll use for the project. I am on a Windows machine, so I've already created my directory, which is this, and I've got my files in there. So to create a directory, all you need is just right click on the desktop, go new folder, and then name it whatever name you like. I have called my directory my calculator. If you are on a Mac, you should just do the same, just create a folder. Okay, so I am using Sublime Text Editor for this project. It is free to download and use for a while, but you are advised to pay for it if you enjoy using it. So this is my Sublime Text Editor. It comes up as unregistered because I'm still checking it out, trying it. I like it so far, so I will be purchasing it very soon. So this is the folder. You can, once you've created a folder or a directory, you can always reference it. File, go to File, and then Open Folder, and you can browse to the location of the folder. I've also created a couple of files inside this directory. If I expand the directory here, I've got an index.html file, which is a file that we will use to launch the application. And we've got the CSS file here, .css, which is what we'll use to apply styling to the calculator. So if you are using Sublime Text, to create a new file or folder is quite easy. You right click and go new file, or you right click and go new folder. Yep. So you can create new folder and you can create new file. You can also delete them as well. So now we've got our two files. Make sure your files are called index.html and CS, and you don't have to call it my style, but it has to be something .css. So it's good it references the CSS file. Make sure it has a .css extension and a .html extension. So that's it for this lecture. We have got the directory in place and we have also got a couple of files. So make sure you've created these two files inside your directory. So these are my files. That's the index and that's the CSS file inside my directory here, this directory. That's it for this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.